Today, I'm going to surprise one of my employees with a new car. So this is an important thing for most individuals, regular 9-to-5 workers, especially those people early on in their career to understand. A lot of people don't realize it, and this is specifically for small business owners or people that are working for a small business. But business owners, your CEO, the president, whatever it is, the person that's in charge, that's owning the company, is consistently taking note of all the workers, everyone that's around them, who's loyal, who's not, who's putting in the work, and who's not. Listen, I have employees that have been with me for the entire time that I've had a restaurant open, and we're talking, 5+ years. But then in addition to that, I have some employees that have been with me for 5+ years that have been complete lifesavers and that have added a tremendous amount of value and that have become sort of friends, if you will, to me personally. When people, or when your workers, and I don't even demean them by saying workers, but when people are working for you, helping you build generational wealth or helping you build your business, and they're just putting in the extra work and they never complain and they never really ask for any raises, or they're never really doing those things. And of course they still get raises, and of course they still get recognition, but where they're not constantly nagging you, they're not constantly sort of like asking and asking and asking. It is those employees that are giving that dedication, that are showing the loyalty, that you just want to actually pay it back, tenfold back to them. I find it that it's the employees that consistently keep coming to me and saying, I need to make $15 more. I need to make $10 more. I need a raise. I need a whatever, that actually turn you off a little bit, because it sounds like it's all about them. And there is supposed to be a relationship between, an employer and an employee. And of course they both have to get benefit from it. But regardless, and it's very important for my young people to understand this, you can be earning a great salary, you can be having great hours, and you can think everything is great and fantastic, but there's employees there, and we all know who those employees are. There's employees there that just seemingly are the people that suck up to the boss, or the person that just seems to do whatever they want to, or seems to always stay late, or come in early, or give all this extra effort. And a lot of the other employees that are there are probably saying, why is this person doing it? They're not getting any benefit. They're not getting extra pay. They're getting taken advantage of. Well, today we changed that trend. I had an employee that their transmission blew out of their car, and they kind of were left stranded on the road, which is how I found out about it. And they had no way to get to work. Well, today we're going to go surprise them with a brand new car. They don't know about it. We're going to go pick them up at their house. We're going to drive them there. It's not the most amazing car, but it is a low miles, basically brand new car that should support them for the next 10 years. I know for a fact this person has been saving a little bit for a vehicle. So this is hopefully going to be a big surprise. For those of you who follow, that we're in real estate, and basically my message is to them is that money that you've been saving for a car, you no longer need it. Here's a car paid for. Take that money and save it for that next down payment. I'm rewarding today an employee that has been just an absolute amazing asset, that has always done everything. Whenever I go on vacation, whenever I need anything, they're always there, no matter what. They've been taking care of me, so today I'm going to be taking care of them. So what we watched was a entry-level 2 Series BMW.
Yeah. So the next you keep it up, next time you get a 7 Series. Or maybe an 8.
You sure how it works? You know how it works? You sure how it works?
Yeah.